welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Tovae.Naturally and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be doing a video showing you guys hairstyles that you can do on an old wash and go when you're tired of your hair but you're not ready to wash it but you still want to look cute. So just keep watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. The hairstyles are pretty self-explanatory, so I won't be doing much talking, so I hope you guys enjoy.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire.
Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry. Don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous. I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's
Todd, can you play that again?
None of you guys get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. None of you guys get flash me.
So as you guys can see, I'm using the Wetline XTREME Gel, and this gel is really good for like keeping my hair slicked back. So that's the gel I'll be using to keep that front section of my hair slicked to the back.
Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash.
Do it.
Matter of fact, none of you guys get high as me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Come through when it's roaring.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's
Come through when it's
So for this part of my hair, I'm just using my spray bottle to spray it with water just so that it could be a bit more moisturized. However, you guys can apply more products to your hair if you wish to do so.
do it.
brand new car is noisy. Brand new car is noisy.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire.
Brand new car is noisy. Come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry. Don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous. I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's
Todd, can you play that again?
None of you guys get flash me. 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 Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. Get flash me.
So after wrapping my hair into a little bun, I use a bobby pin just so that my hair can be intact and that it won't fall out of place. And after that, I just like use my hands to puff it out so that they can at least look a bit even. However, they still didn't look even, but I'm sure you guys can like do better than me. So yeah, for the front section of my hair, I just twirled it around my hand just to make a little like two curly looking things in the front. Not sure what you call it, but I didn't like it, so you guys can see that I'm gonna change it into two twists instead.
None of you get flash. Matter of fact, get flash.
Do it.
Brand new car is noisy. Brand new car is noisy.
So right here, I just added some of the Wetline XTREME Gel to like the outer layer of my hair. The part that's mostly showing, I added some gel, not too much. But yeah, this actually turned out to be my favorite hairstyle out of all of them that I did. I think it was really cute. So yeah, just keep watching for the others because the others are also cute. But this was just my favorite.
Todd, can you play that again?
None of you guys get flash me. 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 Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. None of you guys get flash.
Do it.
Matter of fact, none of you guys get high as me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Come through when
Okay guys, so if you pay close attention to this part, I did not pull my hair all the way through. I left it into a little bun because I wanted my hair to appear shorter than it is, because if I left my hair out it would have been hanging too much and I didn't want that. So yeah, I made it appear to be shorter and it still turned out cute. So yeah, this is definitely a style that you can do if you have long hair. But if your hair is already short and cute, you can just leave it, like you can pull everything out and it will still be looking cute.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire.
Car is noisy, come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's
Todd, can you play that again?
none of you guys get flash me. 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 Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. None of you guys get flash.
Do it.
Matter of fact, none of you guys get high as me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Come through when it's roaring.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire.
Come through when it's matter of fact.
So I am using the shoelace to do my high puff right here. I do have a tutorial specifically for my high puff alone, so if you guys want to watch that video, I'll put it in the description below. It's also a recent video, so if you click on my channel videos it will be at the top. So yeah. So you can leave your hair out in a puff if you want to. However, I took some of the long strands that were hanging and I just like wrapped it around my hair. I also did my edges. I have a tutorial on this look, so you guys can definitely watch that if you want to see how I did my edges. And then of course applied my hoops. You know, those be making you look extra cute. So yeah, this is a finishing look for the high puff.
None of you guys get flash.
Do it.
Matter of fact, none of you guys get high as me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Come through when it's roaring.
It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire.
Come through when it's matter of fact. Get flash, get flash, get flash me. None of you get flash, get brand new car is noisy. Get flash, get flash, get flash me. None of you get flash, get matter of fact, get flash.
Do it. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire. It's Empire.
Brand new car is noisy, come through when it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's
Todd, can you play that again?
none of you guys get flash me. 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 Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. Get flash me. Get flash me. None of you guys get flash me. Matter of fact, get flash me. None of you guys get flash.
Do it.
Matter of fact, none of you guys get high as me. Post my drip up daily just so they can see. for most of my haters can hit. I'm doing it wrong.
It's empire. It's empire. It's empire.
I'm doing it matter of fact. Get flash, get flash, get flash, yeah.
So this hairstyle concludes the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below and tell me which look was your favorite. I hope this helped you guys to find some hairstyles, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.